Welcome back to the channel. In this lesson, we unlock shape refinement using the direct selection tool. Start by selecting any path or vector object on your canvas. Once active, anchor point light up for individual editing. Click a single point to isolate for transformation. Drag it slightly, being reshaping the subject. Adjust the handle for smoother or sharper transitions. This allows perfect balance between creativity and precision. Now zoom in to refine macro adjustment accurately. Shift click multiple points to modify large areas at once. This trick helps maintain structural consistency. Use Alt while dragging to convert smooth points into corner points. These